Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Visio. In this module, I want to have a look at numbering shapes and a couple of things that you can get through Visio add-ons and then Visio extras. So numbering shapes and array shapes. We'll have a quick look at those. So first of all on the screen, I've got a flowchart. So I'm going to recreate that. So just bear with me. So flowchart, Control N I just did there. So there's my first process. Very quickly, decision, and process, another process, decision, and process. And then coming out of these, we'll have, each one of these will have a process. So let's say this is induction, so we pass induction, no, and yes, coming down. So this is going to be finance, and then reassess, and then a bit of a line coming out of that one back to induction again. And then coming down from finance, we'll have HR, pass, no, we'll have reassess again. Love that, going all the way back up to the top, into there, coming down, take that off, higher. So we've got our flowchart. Now we need to do our numbering. So what you don't want to be doing in Visio is numbering these manually by typing in 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. What you need to be doing is numbering them by using the feature that comes with Visio. So click on the View tab, and then you've got macros at the end there and add-ons, and then you want Visio extras, and then you've got number shapes. Now this box comes up manually. Now you could set that to auto number, and it probably would work okay-ish in this one, but it might start numbering these out of sequence. And if you've got a cross-functional flowchart, it numbers all the swim lanes as well, so that's probably not what you want to do. So we're going to leave it on manual, and then we're just going to select it ourselves. On the advanced tab, you've got a few of the positions that you can select if you want to, but we're going to keep it basic. So I'll just click OK to that. So we're starting at position 1 with an interval of 1, so you can change that if required. Just click OK, and then this box comes up, and now it's up to you. Wherever you click, so I'll click on that first box, and that puts a number 1 in it, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and then close. Now let's say that you've done that wrong and you wanted this to be number 1. What you can do is go back into it, number shapes, change the start point to 1, click OK again, move this out of the way, and then click on that box, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So, and close that box. So if you make a mistake, you just go back into it and change the start point and carry on. So that's numbering shapes, and that applies on all stencils. You can do that on all stencils with relevant shapes. Now the other thing I wanted to have a quick look at was this. If I bring a shape on like that, in fact, I'll bring 2 shapes on, and I'll just connect them together. So if I go back home, just connect these 2 together. I could have just clicked on the tool, that one, never mind. Let me just highlight these. Say I want a duplicate set of these 2 shapes. I'll go to View again, Add-ons, Visio extras, and this time array shapes. Gives you some options here. So what do you want? So rows, I want 4 rows, 1, 4, but I only want 1 column, so I'll go down onto 1. So the column spacing is that, the row spacing is that, and you can change that between shape centers. So that's the center. I want this between the edges, and then OK. And what you get is it's giving you that sort of space. So if I get myself a new document, I'll just try that again. So I bring one shape on, and then I go to extras, array. So I want, let's say I want 4 rows and 3 columns. Okay, you can see it drops it in there like that. Now one of the things that's slightly irritating is that it doesn't have you select it as a group, and once you click off it, these are all just individual shapes. But it's a quick way of getting loads of shapes onto the screen if that's what you want. If I undo that and do it with the other option, Visio extras, array shapes between, so this is between shape centers, slightly different. Apply, well, I'll just click OK. You see it's like one big block, but again, they're all movable. This gives you loads of shape options. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video: shape numbering and shape arrays, or create an array of shapes. So that's it. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next one.